Okay, I wanted to show you two homes here. And where is this? East Jarvis and 𝙁𝙁𝙀𝙀. East Jarvis and 𝙁𝙁𝙀𝙀. And this is the street here. So I'll show you this home real quick here. And here's a business here. They do brakes and stuff like that. And I'm going to show you this property here. Just give you an idea of what you can buy in Hazel Park. So this is like, I think this is almost like a new construction. This looks brand new. And they say it's a gorgeous home here. And I'm not a realtor, but it looks like you can get a down payment assistance. You know, help you with your closing costs, down payment. Seems like a really nice home here. You know? And I'll put the price on the computer screen here. Yeah, nice little home. I don't like that there's a business right next to it on a wall. But I like the privacy fence. And then I do like that the street seems pretty quiet here. So here's the street.